English classwork note. Yeah. Now, just write today's date in the margin. Just write today's date in the margin. No need to write 2020. Just write 9-9, 9-9. No need even 00. 9-9. We are just continuing yesterday's exercise. Yes. Now see here. Just listen to me. Don't tell any answer. Write capital B in the margin. Capital B. Please start writing. Only write what I am telling you. No answers now. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. Look at the screen and write neatly. F-I-L-L. You can write cursive every day. No need to ask me. Leave space. I-N. N. T-H-E. The. B-L-A-N-K-S. Blanks. W-I-T-H. With. W-O-R-D-S. Words. F-R-O-M. From. T-H-E. The. B-O-X. Box. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. I'll give you 1 minute. Those who finish the question, draw a box and write 3, leave space. Full that page till the end you have to draw. 3, kite, football, bicycle. See now the full page. That means that line till the end. Let me come back and see you. Now, I'm not going to spell the word. Write the question first. And draw a box like that. Write those 4 words inside. Don't write anything else. Harish, did you write the question? Some problem with the... Harish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. You wrote the question. Now draw a small box till the end of the page, right side, the same line. You have to leave space and write. Leave space and write.
Excuse me, ma'am. I am Virti, ma'am. I did not finish the heading, ma'am.
You, Virti, you finish it. No need to say. It's already there. You finish it. That's the heading. You finish it now. This only is the heading B. What did you write in your notebook now? Virti is not... That you write fully. I'm not going to spell. You look at the screen and write. Kanira, what do you want, Kanira? Ask me. Virti are not at all attentive. That's why you're making noise in between. Kanira. Kanira, did you write the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, please wait, children. Don't be in a hurry. Thank you, thank you. Kanira, please draw a small box till the end. How it is drawn there. 2 lines you can draw and write this tree, all that.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you do that? After writing the words, you draw the box around. Good. Show me, Kanira. Show me your notebook. Show me. Yeah, good. Right, very good. Like that, all must do. Yes, Kanira. Now write those 4 words inside and wait. I will tell you the next one. Akshara, oh, your camera is not working, Akshara. Something is wrong because all got stuck like it's showing. Harish, your camera. I want everybody to turn on your camera. Joshika. Now, one by one, they are joining. You must join little early. Then you will be correct in within 9 o'clock. If you come if you come 8:50, you may not get the link. You just start. I am putting the link by 10, 8:30, 8:20 and all that. Please join, children. In between, if you come, that will be a big disturbance. Okay, now all must switch on your camera. I want to see you. See, you want to hide from me. That's what you are not coming on the screen. Kushagra, did you write the question? Now, I will go back and I'll tell you. Now, next line, write 1, then next, below that 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just write 1, 2, 3, 4. Just write 1, 2, 3, 4. Now copy first one. There is no need to leave a line because there won't be enough space in the same page. You no need to leave a line. Now, first one, play. Second one, ride a. Third one, sit under a. Number 4, fly a. Now, please wait. Write all the 4 questions. All 1, 2, 3, 4, all 4 questions you write. Shaina,
Yes, ma'am.
did you write, Shaina, the question? Fill in the blank.
I'm writing, ma'am.
Please, Shaina, you are just looking and sitting. I can see you. Please do fast. You write that. Now the next other children are writing 1, 2, 3, 4. I will not go back to the same question. Please write. I can see you writing, children. John, did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, John. What happened to Johan? Joshika, did you write? Kushagra, come back.
No, ma'am.
Please write. Slowly, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please write. Play.
We should not write the answer.
No. Those who know, you can write the answer. 1 minute. Just draw a line after this. And straight put dash. How it's written. Otherwise, only put a dash. Straight to play. Straight to ride. Put dash. Exactly like that, 1 line. On top of it, you can write the answers. Those who know the answers. No need to say, I will ask you later. Okay, children. Those who finish writing the question, exactly like what is shown on the screen, write the answer straight. From the box you select, and when you select from the box, play, you know the answer, cut that word there, just strike it out. So it will be easy for you, then write the answer, okay? Please do it. Just strike the word and write the answers. You do it, no problem, it's up to you. If you want to put a tick, you can put a tick, then it will be neat. Strike means you won't know what word it is. Only 1 strike. Play, ride a. sit under a, fly a. Each one must do by yourself. Shaina, please come back on the screen. Kushagra, Akshara, no turning off your camera. Yes. Which one are you reaching? Which one?
Ma'am, I finished 1, 2, 3, 4, ma'am.
Very good. Finish writing the questions. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first word?
I also, ma'am.
Now see,
Play
Alvin,
dash.
only, excuse me, Alvin, only one child must answer. That means all the 73 I will know. Please don't disturb, everybody will tell. Okay, Shaina, can you tell me the answer for play? Play.
Play dash football.
No, don't say dash, don't say dash. Play. You tell me the answer. Play.
Play football.
Very good. Now all of you write. Now second one.
Ride a bicycle.
Listen, not you. Your chance is over. Don't say ma. Okay, Shaina, turn off. Second one, I'm going to ask somebody. Thank you. If your parents help also, you tell them not to come because it's your work. Shaina finished. Now, second one, Akshara, please help me. Second one, you read the question, ride a. Tell me. Ride a. Akshara, tell me the answer from the box. Okay.
Bicycle.
Okay. Tell once again. Cyrus, repeat that answer. Good, Akshara.
Bicycle.
Once again, Cyrus.
Bicycle.
Yes. Everybody got the answer? Yes. Akshara told the answer. Very good. Akshara. Akshara, what happened? You are not smiling? Yes. Now, third one. Sit under a. Johan, can you answer me, Johan? Sit under a dash. What is the answer?
Sit under a tree.
Very good. See now, without anybody's help, all are writing. Very good. Sit under a tree. Good. Now, next one. Kabir. Kabir is not showing his face. Kabir.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me the fourth one. Please read the question. Like camera. Please come on the screen. What happened? Yes, go Kabir. Tell me, fly a. Tell me the answer from the box. Tree, kite, football. Which is the correct answer? Kabir, you don't look at anybody. Tell me the answer. What will you fly? Children will fly what? What is it?
Kite, ma'am.
Kite. Very good. Thank you. Mike. All must don't turn off your camera, Kabir. Kabir, don't turn off your camera because I want to see your face and even principal ma'am will enter at any time. Okay, enter the class and see who's not on the screen. Okay, now we'll go to the next one, children. Next page. Now, children, see the answers. Put a small tick. Football, ride a bicycle, sit under a tree, fly a kite. Now we'll go to the next one. Just look at that. Don't do anything now. I will just tell you what you have to do. Take a new page, slowly write capital A in the margin. Listen to me, children, don't do anything beforehand. Write the question. WRITE. Write the group names of these words. I will wait for you. Write the group names of these words. Write the heading. Children, you must be attentive in class, no looking here and there. John, did you write the heading? I don't know how many times to tell you all. If I turn the page, how will you see the heading over there? Please write the heading alone. Everybody. Then you'll have to go back to the recording. That's why I'm going to tell ma'am not to send the recording for you. That's why you all are not writing in class. Please write the heading. Mitra, please read the heading, Mitra. Yes, Cyrus, keep your hands down. 1 minute, I'll tell you. Now, Mitra, read the heading.
Write the group names of these words.
Very good. Okay, Mitra, thank you. Now, see, children should be like that. She will never turn this side or that side. Other children, those who are doing some dance. Veerti, did you finish?
Yes, ma'am.
See, no, ma'am, I don't want any. No, now. Hereafter, I will not wait for anyone. Okay, you finish the heading. Simply dancing in class. I'm not going to tell anything. Now, Shaina, very good. You must be like that. Joshiga, good. All others, Akshara, Alvin. Now, you just write the 3 words down in bracket. From the margin, you start. Stationery, furniture. Don't leave any line. Clothes. And close the bracket. Those 3 words in the bracket you write. Akshara, you can't understand what I am telling you. Don't ask your mother for any help. Ask me. Start the bracket from that margin, next to that margin. Sit up straight, everyone. Stationery. Stationery. Isvelina, what happened to you yesterday? I was calling out. Yes, ma. I was calling out your name. What happened yesterday?
Ma'am.
You didn't. Yeah.
Ma'am, don't break up, ma'am.
Okay. Now, okay, Isvelina. Now, put a comma and write furniture. Furniture. Cyrus is missing. No. Furniture. No talking in between, please. Now, last one. Clothes. Now you close the bracket. All must listen to me right fast. What is that Sharan Pranav is presenting? What's wrong? Now only is coming. Don't ask anything now, please. Those who joined late, go back to the recording, that's all. Now, see, nothing is in here. He came and he started presenting, it's written there. See, everything went off. Who's that boy, Saran Pranav? No. I don't know why these children are doing like this. No. Here. But here in the system,
Ma'am, Sharan left a meeting. Sharan Pranav left a meeting, ma'am.
no, he came and he did something and he left. Oh, it's come, it's come. Okay. Children, when you join in between, I don't know what to tell you all. He came and did something and everything went off. Now listen. Write the group name, stationery, furniture. Now listen carefully, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just write exactly like this. Leave space. First, sofa, chair, table, bed. Then, you just leave some space.
Show.
Screen is not showing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what I told you. 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am. I
Excuse me, children, please keep quiet. Saran came. He's presenting. He did something. I don't know. And he left. Children, wait. Saran Pranav is presenting. And he left.
See the
Yes, I told you he came and I don't know what he did and he left. And he started presenting. I don't want anyone to present, okay? Now, please write, children, exactly on the screen. You just write sofa, chair, table, bed. Okay. Now, down you have to write the answer. So, leave space. Middle of the page, write shirt, skirt, tie, jeans. Last, towards the end of the page, pens, pencils, erasers,
it's not a video, it's coming, ma'am.
ruler. Yes?
Ma'am, presentation, ma'am.
Presentation is there.
No,
See, their
ma'am.
presentation is not there.
Yes, ma'am. It's not coming, ma'am.
1 minute. Just now, Cyrus, can you see the presentation?
Yes, ma'am.
Presentation is there. Then why this child is telling one by one? It's there. Who's telling it's not coming?
Presentation, ma'am.
That's your system problem. All others, it's coming. And also in between is coming. Presentation is there. Other children are writing.
Ma'am, now the presentation gone, ma'am.
That I stopped it now. Wait a minute. Yes? Alan?
Yes, ma'am.
Now children are joining and doing something I don't know in between. Where is Ansh? Ansh? Can you see the presentation now?
Yes, ma'am.
It was there, Ansh, already. Okay, now listen. Okay. Now, have you written all these? Slowly you write. Alan, did you write the first set of names? First set?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Sofa, chair,
Yes.
table,
Yes,
bed.
ma'am, I wrote.
Okay. Okay, please write. Next one. Shirt, skirt, tie, jeans. Now I want Arush to answer me. Arush,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me sofa, chair, table, bed? Under which group all these things come? Under which group?
Furniture.
Very good. Furniture. I will come back. So you have to write the answer furniture like this. So according to that, you write. Okay. Sofa, chair, table, bed. All these items come under furniture. Plural of it is furniture. No, yes. Okay. It's only furniture. Now, Arush is over. Second one. Ansh. Ansh John. Yes. Can you tell me under which group shirt, skirt, tie, jeans, these things come? Under which group?
Clothes.
Clothes, okay. I want to see your face, Ansh, please. You have to, every time I'm telling, your camera should be on till the end of the class. Okay, good, Ansh. Thank you for the answer. Answer is clothes. See, exactly. Okay, thank you. Exactly like this, you have to write neatly. No untidy work. You write the first set of things, furniture down. Second one, clothes. If no place, you can go back to the, next page or below that. Now, third one, pens, pencils, erasers, ruler. Now, I want Virthi Jain. Virthi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you tell me? Only Virthi. Okay, Virthi Jain. Camera, Virthi. Yeah. Under which group? Pens, pencils, erasers, ruler. When you go outside, you will see something written in each shop and you'll go get into that shop, buy these things from there. So tell me the group. I'll help you tell.
No, ma'am.
I don't know, ma'am.
See, Virthi, 1 minute. You are, who's that? No, ma'am, no, ma'am. Virthi, 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Any question I ask, you're telling you don't know. You look at the screen now. Furniture is over. Parents, don't disturb, please. Furniture over. You know the thing: sofa, chair, table, bed. Clothes, shirt, skirt, tie, jeans. Now, pens, pencils, erasers, ruler. These things will come under stationery.
stationery.
Yeah. Try like that, Virthi. See, already 2 answers over, 2 sets of things over. You just use your brain and just think. Only one answer is left. Then after that, you can learn. Stationery, it is N-E-R-Y. I know why the problem is. Parents are going on whispering and they don't know the answer. They're going on telling this and that in Hindi, Tamil, all languages. Children are confused. Parents, we will teach them, parents. Afternoon, you sit and teach, no problem. But morning time, teachers will take class, please. The child said first she doesn't know, now she got the answer. Because she's thinking, let her think. Okay, good, Virthi. Hereafter, you have to listen to ma'am. Okay, Virthi. Okay, now. Now I want to know whether all others, I want everybody to complete this. I'm not going to see the next one because there is no time after this. Please do it. See, Sujin.
Ma'am, I finished it, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Those who finish, when you come to school, I will see the notebook. And did you finish, Ansh? Listen now. Achilla, Srimuthi, and all finished. Actually, one more exercise we are not doing because no time. Okay, good children, you have done so well. Very good. I never thought you will do so clearly and neatly. Very good, everybody. See, I can't. Miral, you are showing the book cover. Now listen. I can't tell each one's name because too many children. Okay, good, good. Those who did not finish can go back to the recording and do it. Get ready for next class, maths. Next we have maths class. Okay. Good children. Leave the classroom fast.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you. Leave the classroom now.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. 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 Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.